Hello everyone. So in this video we will be discussing how to use OpenAI Chat GPT platform. um, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि अगर आप चैट जीपीटी गूगल सर्च करके चैट जीपीटी की वेबसाइट खोलते हैं और ट्राई चैट जीपीटी करते हैं, usually you see that it's giving an error message, not an error message, but a prompt that says chat GPT is at capacity right now. So does that mean is कि उनके जो जितने भी सर्वर्स हैं वो 100% यूटिलाइज हो रहे हैं? तो आप इस लिंक पे ऊपर क्लिक करके अपनी ईमेल डाल के वेट लिस्ट ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, ये सारा फॉर्म फिल करके। और जैसे ही उनके पास कोई कैपेसिटी अवेलेबल होगी, दे विल लेट यू यूज़ the platform right now. But in this video, we will be discussing workaround, like how to use the ChatGPT platform. So if you guys do not know, if you guys have not experienced the another platform, it's what we call Chat GPT. Oh, sorry, OpenAI Playground. It's the same service. It's the same guy who developed the Chat GPT. It's what we call the OpenAI. OpenAI is the parent company. They do have two different. Obviously, they do have multiple different products, but we will be talking specifically regarding ChatGPT and the OpenAI Playground. So, how you can access the Playground is basically you need to search OpenAI Playground, और जो भी आपके पास पहली वेबसाइट गूगल शो करता है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करें, उस लिंक के ऊपर बीटा वेरिएंट है। अगर आप पहली दफ़ा विज़िट कर रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस, आइदर यू कैन साइन अप or log in. If you click on sign up, again you have a couple of different options. Either you can provide your email address or you can continue with the Google. But as I already have signed up for this account, so I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Playground website and I'm going to click on login. After clicking login, uh, because I've created my account using Google, so I'm going to click on continue with Google to see the results. जब मैंने continue with Google पे click किया, it will perform certain actions and will let me use the platform. So this is the playground. So let's say if I wanted to write an email saying that sorry for the delay in terms of shipping because we're at capacity. So I'm going to write an email saying sorry for the delayed shipping professionally. It will, and I'm going to click on submit. It will write a certain email फॉर्मेट के अंदर। वी अपोलोजाइज फॉर द डिले, पूरी डिटेल के साथ। अब यहाँ के एज इट इज़ भी कॉपी कर सकते हैं। इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक सम चेंजेस, फील फ्री टू डू दैट, but we will be using the chat gpt platform in more details, like in depth में हम आज यूज़ करना देखेंगे। अब जैसा कि हम चैट जीपीटी के ऊपर जब क्लिक कर रहे थे तो वो आ रहा था कि चैट जीपीटी इज़ एट कैपेसिटी। तो in order to use the chat gpt first, playground में आप लॉग इन कर लें। I've already purchased the paid plan. That's the reason I'm not able to see any upgraded button here. But let's say if I use any other profile, I'm gonna search OpenAI Playground, and once I signed in, you'll be able to see an upgrade button there. I'm gonna click on login. I'm using another account, another Gmail account, to use the service. Never mind. अच्छा, जब आप पहली दफ़ा साइन अप करेंगे तो इट विल आस्क यू टू प्रोवाइड अ फ़ोन नंबर, जो कि मैं नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहा यहाँ पे। लेट्स ट्राई अनदर प्रोफाइल. Let's go with this. Sorry, I'm gonna search OpenAI Playground. So it's now loaded. I can see upgrade. आप अपग्रेड के ऊपर क्लिक करके अपना पेड अकाउंट भी सेटअप कर सकते हैं by providing your details and the credit card or debit card information. But as I already do have a paid account, I can use the playground. Let's say if I wanted to have him to write a poem, I'm gonna say write a poem. We'll hit submit. It will write a poem about love, about anything. So you need to be specific while giving the prompts to ChatGPT to get a better result. Now let's try the ChatGPT because I've already purchased the plan, so I believe it will let me use the ChatGPT platform. Let me close the additional tabs. Yep. Let's try again. So you need to try a couple of times to get this login page. Once you see this, again, continue with the Google to sign in. Now we are in the ChatGPT platform. So what we're gonna do here is I do have a test file here. I'm going to download this. Um, let's open the file. Okay, so it's a complex engineering problem. We have introduction, we have problem statement, and then objective. So I'm going to copy the problem statement first. I'm going to try to paste in, and then these are the objectives that I wanted to get out of it. And then I'm going to say write a solution. Okay, so probably it'll give me a solution. Let's see. So the AI platform is basically it's artificial intelligence. It will keep in mind the objectives that we have written and also the other information like what's the problem statement. So first, signal of interest that consists of a rectangular poles. Creating a signal of interest, it gave me a CSS code as well that I can copy and paste in the Word documents as a solution. And then it's giving me the answers for all 3 to 4 different objectives that we do have here, step by step. So that's great. So it's not limited to just the regular words. They actually can code the solutions as well. So let's give him a minute to complete this. We are about to complete the last objective. So it's compiling with built-in MATLAB command. And then I can use these details. And sometimes the ChatGPT platform is very accurate and sometimes it does not. So let's say if I wanted to have like a background information of this problem statement, I'm gonna copy this, paste, and I'm gonna write a solution in details. Let's see. So it's generating the response according to the problem that I've given. And once you are satisfied with the results, either you can stop generating, or what you can do is once the solution has been finished, what you can do is you can regenerate as well. So in this case, I believe he's also getting the objectives as well. So I'm going to click on new chat. I'm starting from the scratch. So basically, the each chat module, what it does is basically it also fetch the information that we have given him beforehand, and then he tried to implement the answers. But let's take a new example. न्यू चैट पे मैंने क्लिक किया और इसमें सिर्फ मैं प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट लिखूंगा और उसका कोई आंसर देखते हैं क्या देता है ये हमें। अब ये मुझे कोई कोडिंग या जो जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो नहीं देगा, मुझे उसकी सिर्फ रेलिवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन देगा। अब ये उसने एक आंसर दिया है तो हमें थोड़ा डिटेल्ड आंसर चाहिए तो हम से राइट इन मोर डिटेल्स। अब ये मुझे डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है। Okay. Now, if I'm satisfied with the response, that's fair enough. If I wanted to have more details or in-depth review, I'll obviously write again. And then the playground. So the difference between Chat GPT and the playground is Chat GPT is basically it's like a chat platform. You're chatting with the bot and he's trying to answer your questions. But with the playground, you have a lot more details and also a lot more controls over what you are wanting to achieve. They do have different models. You can go with DaVinci, TextQA, other like text ADA 001 codecs. You can obviously use different platforms. According to my knowledge and my research, DaVinci is the more accurate compared to the other one. You can also set the maximum length of the answer, the stop sequence, and others. So it will give you a lot more details and also a lot more control over the answers that you are trying to looking for. And let's say if I'm not happy with the answer, I can click on regenerate. It will regenerate the response. So every time if I click on regenerate, it will write something new. So that's the basic difference using the AI platform. Um, Again, another example, let's say if I wanted to have like a certain hashtags for YouTube. So I'm gonna say to him, write trendy hashtags for YouTube video regarding Chat GPT. So he actually gave me all the different hashtags that I can use. I can obviously have him write more, write more. It'll give me even more answers. But same, if I try to search this in Google search engine, I will be able to find the information that is already written there by a specific person or a website. So I can only, so let's say backlinko.com, they do have a certain hashtags, but it's not generated with the AI. So a lot chances are, let's say if 100 people they are searching the same keyword, they're gonna use the same key hashtags that are up there on the website. So that's the basic difference. It gives you a dynamic answers according to you, the problem according to the situation. That's all for this video. If you need in-depth or if you want me to do more videos on the ChatGPT platform, just feel free to let me know in the comment sections down below. Feel free to like this video, subscribe, share with your friends as well. Thank you so much for your time, guys.